Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Dodge Charger SE, or Special Edition. This one I filmed at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $22,500, which I thought that was a pretty good deal. You got a lot of car for the money. It had the 383 V8, the torque flight automatic transmission with slapstick shifter, bucket seats with the original leather interior on them, and console. Had new paint, headliner, carpet, brakes, dual exhaust and cooling system, new vinyl top and rear bumper, and new tires. It also included a complete vehicle history with receipts and a handwritten maintenance book. And it only had 59,329 original miles. So it didn't say if it was a one owner or not, but it looks like it probably was, or maybe a two owner car. But it was definitely a good looker, that's for sure. As far as production numbers go, in 1971, Dodge sold a total of 551,386 cars. And out of that, 82,114 were the Chargers, which was up from 1970. And the SE hardtop, they sold 15,811. So this one's one of 15,811 that they sold. Surprisingly, they, as far as the RTs go, they only sold 3,118 of those, and I've seen quite a few of those over the years, so a lot of those lasted, that's for sure. But 71 was a different year for Dodge. They went to, this was a total restyle on a Charger, and it was definitely a good-looking car, good-looking model. This one had the hideaway headlights, which are real nice as well. I forgot to mention that the 1971 was the third generation for the Dodge Charger, and that went through 1974. And they seem to have a little bit more of a Coke bottle shape on this third generation Charger, but all the Chargers were good-looking cars. And anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1971 Dodge Charger SE Special Edition. But if you made it to the end, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.